Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through connecting your Clash of Clans account with Facebook. Or is it even possible? Let's find out. First thing first, you might be wondering, can you actually connect Clash of Clans directly to the Facebook? Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Supercell, the maker of Clash of Clans, has its own built-in platform for adding and connecting with friends. To access it, tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Here you will find a section for your Supercell ID. This is where all friends' connections are managed. If you haven't set up a Supercell ID, it's simple. Just create an account using your email. Once that's done, you can connect with friends directly in the game. Use the Add Friends option or scan a QR code to share a link through apps like Messenger or Snapchat. So, while you can add friends through Facebook, Supercell's platform offers plenty of ways to stay connected with your fellow players. Thanks for watching the video and happy clashing.